Hi everyone, Ben here from Full Scope Freelancer. We've got a really exciting update to our document tool that I want to share with you. It's going to help you create and send even better and more powerful proposals to your clients or potential clients. So let's take a look real quick. Here I am. I've created a new project proposal for this client, and I've added our product list element to the page. It used to be this list would just show them what you're going to sell them, and if there was anything they didn't like about it, then you would have to speak with them manually and revise the proposal. Now, if you want to offer them options, you can. So now if we come back to this product list element, if I click on any of these products, you'll see now on the right, I can create an optional item. So if I had both of these as optional items, then the customer can choose which one they want. Or on top of that, if I want to let the customer edit the quantity of the item, maybe in this case, they don't want one logo, they want two or want three logos maybe, then they will be able to also edit that themselves once you send the proposal their way. And then no matter what they choose, if they choose one product, all products, one type of the product, or 5 of them, then whatever they choose is going to automatically be whipped up into a new invoice that has their chosen products in your system that you can then review and then forward to them for final payment if you're both happy with what they've chosen. So again, now you can create these dynamic proposals where the customers can come in, they see, option A, B, C, or they say a product that they can order multiples of, a logo, for example, if they need 2 or 3 or 4 for whatever reason. Now they can edit that themselves in the proposal document. They can assign it, send it back to you, and our system will automatically create an invoice based on what they chose so that you can move forward quickly with this new customer and get that project started right away. So this is a really excellent new tool set. We're really happy to roll this out. It's going to make your lives a lot easier. If you have any questions about how this works, just let our team know in the support portal in your account, and we'll see you in the next update video.